so basically this is the battery.
400-watt battery, feeds right down to the motor, which is right in front of the crank. And there are sensors everywhere that tell the motor how much is needed and so forth. And you can adjust it up here on the computer.
Oh wow.
This is a controller that will tell you I'm giving it economy level input. I don't want to use the whole motor, and it gives you miles per hour, and then it gives you like other.
Very nice, very nice. And then you have the
and this is a regular shifter over
regular
here.
shifter here.
9-speed shifter.
And you're gonna need, as well as we mentioned, your helmet.
How much you carry in your vehicle.